What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Martin, and on this beautiful Saturday morning I'm taking a look at one of our clients' cars, the M340i from Bart. He brought it over to do an femto unlock for the ECU. As you might know, BMW ECUs are heavily fortified, so you can't get in them and tune your car. But there's one company in the world that can crack that security, and we cooperate with them. So if you want to have your ECU unlocked, hit us up, Evolution M, on Instagram, or send us an email, autobahn@gmail.com. And this car also has some more features. So after we unlocked the ECU, we flashed it with MHD, the company favorite to tune BMWs. And the car also has a 300 cell downpipe and an M Performance backbox. Now that one makes a big difference. You can do that just with a stock car and you keep your factory warranty even. So they normally are for the American market, but we now have like an installation kit available so that you can get it on your European car. And we have confirmation from the BMW dealership that you keep your warranty. So that's really cool, that on such a modern car, and the M340i is one of the best sounding cars out there. You get a straight 6 and it really does sound very good, even though they have OPF filters. If you do the M Performance backbox, it comes to life even more. So let's do a quick walk around. It's Tanzanite blue. I am so jealous. I have a sapphire black car, but this is way better. Bart also got our cerium gray LCI mirror conversions. So these are basically M3 G80 and M340i LCI mirrors. So it's not just a cap, but it's also the base. And we supply them in cerium gray or gloss black. Cerium gray is a thing they did before the facelift. I don't think they do that anymore. So you get all these accents like the grille, this little intake right here, the logos, and we thought it would be a cool mod to do the LCI conversion, but in the pre-LCI cerium gray. It's a little dirty, I have to apologize. So debadged, looks really clean. Again, cerium gray for the exhaust tips right there. And behind that we have, as you can see, M Performance backbox. Sounds really good. I'm going to do a very quick lap. We've done so many of these, but they're all a bit different, so that's for us reason to do them all. It's a bit dirty down here as well. So 300 cell downpipe right there. Normally we do 200 cells, but this is a mild hybrid, so it sort of has the LCI drivetrain with the new gearbox with that little hybrid system, so a little electric engine. We've done a stage 2 flash for the gearbox, stage 1 flash for the engine, and we now have 430 horsepower, 600 newton meters, coming from 374 horsepower, 500 newton meters. So that's a great gain in power. So let's get driving. So we also flashed, thank you Bart, a little startup roar, so you can really hear that M Performance backbox. Listen to this. This is OPF still in place, by the way. That's a good sound. So unfortunately we cannot ship these M Performance exhausts because the box is just humongous. So if you want an M Performance exhaust on your M340i, go and visit our shop near Eindhoven, the Netherlands. Very nice. Can't believe the OPF is still in place. It has such a good sound. Oh, very nice. Sport for the gearbox, sport for the ESC. So we have a little bit more of a playful car. Since everything is in sport mode, we can do launch control. That is quick. So 0 to 100, 3.7 seconds. Now compared to stock 4.6, that is amazing with just a stage 1. So BMW changed some little components over the years, so I can tell that this steering rack, this power steering, is a lot nicer than with my M340i, which in Sport Plus is way too heavy, but this is just perfect, and it's also in Sport Plus, so that's very noticeable. Now listen to this. Oh! Honestly, that sounds way better than an M3. I'm not kidding. Beautiful sound, really. It's so full-bodied, low, bassy. Very good. And the gearbox with that stage 2, it's like a DCT really. It has the speed, it has the aggression, and it no longer is the slusher it is when it comes from factory. Like, look at how snappy that is. A gearbox in a sporty car should be snappy. I mean, like a Mercedes dual clutch isn't as fast as this. And this is just a torque converter. So, yeah, beautiful. Really, just beautiful. So we also changed the sport dials, performance meters, I should say. It can now read up to 560 horsepower and 800 Newton meters. So of course my M340i is a stage 2, so that means we also do an OBF delete and we up the turbo pressure even more. So that car does around 470, 480 horsepower, and it has the performance of an M3 Touring. This a little slower, 9.7, 100 to 200. Which still is very, very quick. And of course we deleted the top speed limiter, so it can now do 300, which is faster than an M3 Touring. Just amazing, really, the performance you can get from this car with quite little changes. It's a very rewarding car in every aspect. Tuning, driving. Very good, like an empty canvas. That's what the M340i is to me. Very un-German to stick left like that. Let's do a little run, let's see what we can do. This is tuned to 98 octane fuel, so here in Germany you can also do 102, but since Bart is from Belgium, we stuck to 98, so that's 283 right there, which it does very, very easily. Look at how easy that is, really, wow. You do notice that with the extra speed and, you know, its competence on the Autobahn, the M Performance Big Brake Kit is a nice addition. That's what I have on my car, because the car is so fast right now. These normal M340i brakes, they're a little underpowered, I would say. But wow, this car, just like an unlock, downpipe, a flash, You wouldn't even have to do the downpipe, so you can do the stage 1 with all the stock stuff. Oh, I love these cars, really. I like them better than the M3 Touring, really. Just the concept of it, X-Drive, Touring, 3-liter turbo, it fits the M340i better than the M3 in my opinion. It sounds better, it's less in your face. I mean, it's a family car. I don't want it to be like a supercar estate. I just don't have that ambition when I travel with my family. I mean, Bart also travels with his kids or kid. You don't want the attention, you want the driving experience, and that's what the M340i is all about, the driving experience for the family and especially for the father. Just, I think, the most beautiful product currently available at BMW, and yeah, just wow what you can do with these. If you want to do something with your M340i, hit us up, autobahn@gmail.com, or send us a DM on Instagram. Come visit us at our shop near Eindhoven, and maybe I'll see you there. For you guys, thank you for watching, and hope to see you at the next video. Bye.